In front of me is OPPO Find X9 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Accessibility and Convenience. Then you need to scroll again, this time to click on one-handed mode, and use this switcher to activate it. Now, when you see this pop-up, that means that you are using 3 keys navigation. Unfortunately, this OPPO won't allow you to use one-handed mode without gesture navigation. So if you decided to change yours, hit Settings in the pop-up, tap on Gestures, choose Learn or Cancel, and go back. Then use the same switcher, and when it's blue, follow all of those instructions. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, I can see that one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, swipe up, or click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, tap on the same switcher until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!